to grow. Naturopathic wisdom, sound waves in the air. Yoga flows, cacao opens, feel the love everywhere. Transform your life, unlock the door. Empower your soul, reach for more. In the luxury of nature, feel the peace. Your attraction, potential fully released. Balance your hormones, let healing begin. Flower remedies, herbs and elixirs within. Mantras that activate, vibrations rise. In this sacred retreat, open your eyes. Transform your life, unlock the door. Empower your soul, reach for more. In the luxury of nature, feel the peace. Your attraction, potential fully released. Rejuvenation, manifestation. Feel the harmony, the sweet sensation. Twin rooms of tranquility, organic meals to savor. This is your moment, your time for favor. Come find yourself and live your dream. In the heart of Chepstow, flow like a stream. Unlock your power, let your spirit shine. Transform your life, now is the time. Rejuvenation,